How to backup data from Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to backup your data from Microsoft PowerPoint, what you have to do is, first off, let me open up the Microsoft PowerPoint tab and make sure that I have selected a proper storage location. So I can just go to the recents on the left hand side, or I can go to this open button, or I can select manage storage accounts. Then from here I can choose where I want to back up my data to, whether to OneDrive or my SharePoint account. The second way you can actually just check it is by simply opening up a certain presentation and making sure you save it to a proper location. So based on however file format you want to save it in, click on the file option from the top left, go to this option called save as, and here you can simply choose the type of file format. There will be various ones to choose from. Just choose it and click on the save button right here in order to save the changes. These are a couple of ways on how you can back up your data on Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.